Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a rainbow. Let's doodle! Okay, starting about here on your page, we're going to draw a big arching line for the top of the rainbow here, just across the whole page. Now take your time and go nice and slow to make that line nice and curved and pretty. Okay, here we go. Right here, up. Take your time. And then stop right about there. And now we're going to go down here and leave a space, and we're going to draw another line arching, but it's going to be shorter for the bottom of the rainbow. Right about here. And stop right about there. Okay, now the rainbows usually come out of clouds, so we're going to draw two clouds on each side of the rainbow. So starting about here, let's draw some curved lines, kind of like half circles or quarter circles. So one here, up like this. And we're going to keep going all the way around and vary the shapes and size. And they can kind of overlap each other. So we'll do another one here. And along the bottom here. Just keep going all the way around. And on the ends, it's a little bit bigger curve. And we'll connect it back over here. You can actually overlap it just a little bit over here on this line. And now let's do the same on this side. So starting down here at this point, we'll do some curved lines all the way around to make the cloud on this side. Here. And then one bigger one up over here. And then a smaller one here. And one for the end of the cloud over here. Round. Oops. That. And one like this along the bottom. You can always pause the video if you need more time. That, and let's connect it back here to finish off this cloud. Like that. Okay, let's put a face right in the middle of the rainbow. Before we do the separation lines for the different colors on the rainbow, we'll just do a face so we know how to space those lines. Okay, so starting right about here, we're going to do a circle. And we'll do another circle over here for the other eye. Like that. And now let's draw some highlights in those eyes, and those are going to be smaller circles within that larger circle. One like that. Let's do one on the other side. That. And we'll do another smaller highlight here like that. And now let's color in the eyes black, like this. Okay, let's add some eyelashes. So maybe one up like that and one up like that. And we'll do the same on this side, like that. And let's do some pink rosy cheek lines here on both under the eyes here. Just a nice little oval shape like that. And we'll do one over here like that. And now let's add a smile in between the eyes, a smile. So we'll do a nice curved line right here in between the eyes, like that. And we'll have the mouth open. So we'll do another line that connects down and back up like that. And a tongue line. And now let's color it in. That's a happy rainbow. Okay, now I'm going to be silly, and I think I'm going to make faces on these clouds as well. Because since the rainbow has a smiley face, let's do eyes and a face on the clouds too. It'll be fun. So down here in the middle of the cloud, let's draw a little face. So we'll do a circle here. Like that. And we'll do another circle on this side like that. And let's do a smaller circle inside each of those circles for the highlights. And let's color them in. Let's do a smile between. Maybe we'll do some eyebrows. That. And now let's do the same over here on this side. We'll do a circle right about here. Another circle here. Let's do those smaller circles inside for the highlights. Color them in. And now let's do our smile. Some eyebrows. Oh, I like that. Happy clouds and a happy rainbow. Okay, now our final part of the lines are going to be the separation lines for the color, and they're going to be evenly spaced lines. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines inside here for the colors of the rainbow. So starting right about here, let's do a line up and over, kind of like that top line we drew when we started, but now it's just going to be down a little bit and slightly shorter. So starting right about here, let's go up. Try to keep it even spaced with the top. It's a long line, so take your time. And now starting back over here where we started, we'll go space it down evenly and start right about here on top of the cloud. And we're going to go up and over just like that one, but it's going to be a little bit shorter. We're going to keep doing these until we have 4 more to do. So let's do up here. And when we get to the eye, we're going to stop and then we'll continue on the other side and then continue. And then we'll continue it so it goes behind the eye. And then continue it down over here. Down that. And then over here we'll start, we'll do another one. Continue it up like here through the eyes. Continue it down on this side. And then let's keep keep going. There's a lot of lines in the rainbow. And this is our last one here. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. So grab your markers, colored pencils or crayons, and let's do it. I'm gonna make my rainbow normal rainbow colors, but you can make your rainbow any color you want. Okay, the top of the rainbow is red, so we'll do a nice bright red color. The next color is orange. Yellow comes next. Now green. Now light blue. Now a darker blue. Now purple last. We'll color in the clouds a really light blue. It's almost like a light sky blue. And now let's do the cheeks pink. And finally the tongue red. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye!